New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. No first of spring